Good morning, everybody. This is K. Balakrishnan. Presently, we are discussing about the subject financial services. And in the financial services, we are discussing about the topic called as consumer finance. Who is a consumer? Any person who purchases and uses the product can be called as consumers. The ultimate beneficiaries of the product are called as consumers. What is consumer finance? It is the credit available to the consumers in various methods and means. And this credit will be provided by the sellers at all means because they wanted to stimulate the sales potentialities and other things. In the present class, we'll discuss about what is consumer finance, what are the features of consumer finance, what is the importance of consumer finance, and what are the advantages, disadvantages, and sources of consumer finance. What is consumer finance or consumer credit? It is the amount of financial assistance which is given to the consumers to the purchase of the products. What is consumer finance? A consumer finance is a consumer credit system that helps the customers to purchase the product, to borrow the money and pay them to the sellers. Apart from this, the consumer finance will also help in increasing the sales of the product, profitability of the product, or stimulating the demand in the market. What are the features of consumer finance? There are 5 C's, which can be stated as 5 C's of consumer finance. First one is called as character. Here, the reputation and goodwill of the company depends upon the recovery of consumer credit. Some companies will see the financial status and then lend the credit so that recovery process is easy. Some companies will not see the financial status of the consumer, but they lend the credit. This makes the recovery agent step into the scene and use fraudulent methods so as to recover the debts. Next, capacity. Capacity in the sense it is the repayability of a loan. Means it is a recurring debt and evaluation of borrower's debt income ratio. Next, capital means it's the amount of money which is required to purchase an article. And this capital is made with the help of either installment credit or with the help of 100% credit granted by the Bajaj Finance and many institutions, or it may also take place through the credit cards. Warranty. If the consumer doesn't pay the amount, what will be the consequences? What will be the security measures? What will be the collaterals used? And the conditions. Conditions in the sense, how much amount of interest has to be paid, how much amount of principal amount has to be paid, how much amount of time must be taken to pay the principal amount. That's the importance of consumer finance. First and the foremost is consumer finance is flexible. It depends upon the needs of the consumers. Some consumers change the conditions. In the sense, they try to adapt as per the requirements. No two consumers' needs will be similar. Some wants less amount of period for recollection, and some wants huge amount of period for recollection. Convenience. Convenience in the sense the consumer credit will be given on the basis of convenience. In the sense, if there is a larger amount of convenience in the sense based upon the needs set of the customer, the installments will be arranged, or else the mode of financing will be changed, and many others. Rewards. For the consumer who pays the amount in cash will be rewarded. At the same time, for the person who pays all the installments in time, he will get a CIBIL score, which is automatic. Yes, other types of consumer finance includes One is called as non-installment credit. Non-installment credit in the sense, non-installment credit in the sense that the credit can be paid in a single installment without without any guarantee. They usually Bajaj Finance use these things. It takes the cross checks and automatically grants a loan and collects the amount from the consumer. Installment closed-ended credit in the sense the credit will be given in the number of installments and the recovery process will be in the same way. Revolving open-ended credit in the sense the interest rates continuously changes from time to time and the consumer will purchase based upon the situation of interest rates. What are the sources of consumer finance? There are many sources of consumer finance. One is they will get the credit from the SFCs. The loan is huge amount. They'll get the credit from the state financial corporations. These are the apex regulation authorities for financing the institutions. They can also get the loans, consumer credit from life insurance companies. Who can get the loan from the LIC? The policyholders can get a loan from the premium that has been paid by the consumer. Pawn shops in the sense these are the people who are unconventional lenders. They lend huge amount, small amount of credit, but with huge amount of interest. Loan sharks, these are called as predatory lenders. Predatory lenders in the sense they charge excessive fee for refinancing, redemption, or late payments also. Family and friends, we also get the credit from the family members, that is relatives or friends or neighbors and many other things. Next one is commercial banks. Commercial banks also acts as a consumer credit because they make loans to the borrowers. They make loans to the borrowers and try to repay them by the borrowers. Savings and credit associations. There are certain amount of institutions which is especially focus on giving loans on the savings that the consumer has made in the banks or institutions, and credit in there are also certain credit institutions that lend the loans to the consumers. There is also credit unions, especially for funding the these are the non-profit cooperative societies, which are usually lending the loans at lower amount of rate of interest. Consumer finance companies, their motto is only to generate the sales of the product and earn little amount of interest on them. What are the disadvantages of consumer finance? There are many advantages and disadvantages of consumer finance. Out of which disadvantages is, first one, it increases the debt of the company. Debt in the sense, the borrowing often encourages the people to spend more than they earn. Means I may have 10,000 rupees in my hand, but there is a chance that I can purchase 1 lakh article, 1 lakh worth article from the banks. Financing costs. Financing costs in the sense credit means borrowing money that is not a credit. Credit means borrowing the money that's not available to you. In the sense, you may approach the pawnbrokers or bankers, which will lend a huge amount of interest for emergency loans. There are various instruments of financial consumer credit. First and foremost is revolving check credit. Revolving credit is usually seen in case of credit cards. Huge amount of interest must be paid if the installment is not being recovered. There are also charge cards which are given by the retailers. They will purchase the money. Based upon the amount of money present in the charge card. Credit cards, as we already know that these are issued to the consumers which have good financial ability and purchasing ability. Travel and entertainment cards are exclusively meant for the travelers who move from one country to the other. Debit cards are usually meant for getting a credit from our own credit card purchases. These are the references which we have used. These are the small introduction regarding what we mean by consumer credit, what the sources of financing of consumer credit, what are the instruments, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of consumer credit. Thank you.